So if you come across an oven that ain't getting hot, the first thing I'd do is I check it's the upper oven on this one. I'm going to turn it, make sure it don't feel clunky. It seems to be turning on pretty good and turning well. Normally if they're gone, you can feel them a bit rough. But anyway, that one feels good. So I've got to take the lid off and make sure it is electronically switching on or electrically turning on. And then I'll go around the back and check the element and see if that's okay, and the thermal cutouts as well. So now I've just got to get inside of here and go to the upper one, just take this upper plate off here. Okay, so I've got into it now. We've got my meter set up with continuity and got it on the correct wires. So now when I turn it on, it beeps off, it stops beeping. So I know there's nothing wrong with that switch. So I'm just going to put it all back together and then we'll have a look at the element at the back. Now I've accessed the element, and as you can see 35 ohms. So the element's good, the thermostat's in place, it's in the centre of these ones. The earths are there. This looks like the thermal cutout, so I'll try that next. And if you're getting this far and you still ain't found the problem, well, you should have found the problem by now, because that's about all there is. The switch, elements and the thermal cutout. So I'll just try this. I'll put it onto continuity. So yeah, that's thermal cutout is working perfect. So is the element, and so is the switch, turning it on and off. So unless it's wired up incorrect or there's a problem in the consumer unit, you should have found the problem by now.